Mrs. Magdad and I attended the Fall 2023 Blue Mountain Antique Gas and Steam Engine Association Show and Flea Market, otherwise known as Jacktown. Here's some sights and sounds of the show. Now I'm going to take you for a walk through the flea market. Okay, let me show you what I brought home. I spotted these two auto wrenches in the 50-cent bin. They looked like they were pretty straight and hadn't been abused. This one's unmarked. This one's also straight and not badly abused. This one has a 14 right there. It's not 14 inches long, it's more like a standard 9-inch. I figured I could use two more of them. I think these two putty knives were also 50 cents a piece. This one's marked Red Devil. I don't think this one has a marking. Again, how can you go wrong with wood-handled putty knives with brass pins? You know how I like my pistol grip hand saws. This one is an Alway handy saw, number 100. Some more markings on this side. Blade still seems sharp. This little wood handle screwdriver was also in the 50-cent bin. It's unmarked, but seems like it's in really good shape. A guy can't have too many Stanley 199s. I think this was like $1. I found this pocket knife for $1. Colonial. Looks like number 550. Blade's in good shape. How about the little blade? That's in good shape too. I think this might have also been 50 cents. Armstrong. Like the Armstrong logo there. Doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it. I thought these were interesting. There's a pair of Kreuter. Sort of blunt tip needle nose, no cutter, and the jaws are smooth. I thought that was interesting. Nice handle embellishments. This ratchet caught my eye. I hadn't seen one quite like this. It's marked Blackhawk. Bunch of patent numbers there. Here's a part number. Keep well oiled. It feels like the ratchet mechanism works. The ball detent is a little beat up though. What do you think of this old tractor wrench? The International Harvester marking is really clear and crisp. The jaws look like they haven't been abused too bad. I mean, even the hammer section looks like it didn't do too much hammering. I think that would clean up nice. I was pretty happy to find this for $1. King Dick, made in England. You don't see too many of these on this side of the pond. Looks like it's got a little bit of a bow to it. I thought this screwdriver was pretty interesting. It's marked Stanley bell system. It's obviously got a wooden handle, but the butt section of the handle has been squared off, and it looks like this section here is maybe cork. It's a big handle too. Look how big that is. That's different, right? I paid $1 for this. I'm not a New Jersey Devil fan. I don't even follow hockey. I guess the Devils won the Stanley Cup in 2000. Says it's official. Puck World. Made in the Czech Republic. Puck World. If it doesn't turn out to be worth anything, I think I'll just keep it for the hard rubber. I'll find a use for it. These are what my buddy Nash Rathbone would call my star buys. These are both Champion screwdrivers. You can pick out a Champion screwdriver because of the unique two-piece notch ferrule. And it's usually stamped Champion on the screwdriver shaft. See that? Now this one says patented. It has that little squiggle right there. Might mean it's a really old one. This one's a little worse for wear. You can still see the notched two-piece ferrule. This has the stamping I'm used to, where it has Champion and Made in the USA on either side. As I said, this one's worse for wear, and the tip has been absolutely destroyed. I was pretty excited to find two of these. So I paid $18 total for my haul. I think I did pretty good. What's your favorite item? I was pretty happy about finding two more Champion screwdrivers for my collection. Mrs. Magdad and I had fun at the show. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
No, you gotta do that, you know? At least I know they can take care of it. I don't know. So you want to sell it, or what do you want to do? I don't know yet. Well, think about it. Let me know if you want to sell it. And then figure something. I want to see